From the vast plains of the Midwest to the rugged terrain of the West, American ranchers are the backbone of the beef industry. They raise a staggering 30.1 million beef cattle, providing high-quality protein to tables across the nation and the world. But how do they do it? What are the practices, the dedication, and the science behind raising these animals? Join us as we explore the journey from pasture to plate, uncovering the methods and commitment behind American beef production. Part 1. The foundation, breeding and calving. It all starts with careful breeding. Ranchers meticulously select breeding stock, both bulls and cows, based on a variety of desirable traits. These include genetics for meat quality, marbling, tenderness, growth rate, disease resistance, fertility, and temperament. Artificial insemination (AI) is a common practice, allowing ranchers to access superior genetics from bulls across the country. Natural breeding is also used, with carefully selected bulls placed with the cow herd. The calving season, typically in the spring when weather conditions are favorable, is a crucial time. Ranchers closely monitor their herds, providing assistance with difficult births when needed. Newborn calves receive essential vaccinations to protect them from common diseases. They are also tagged with ear tags or branded for individual identification and record keeping, allowing ranchers to track their lineage, health, and performance. Some ranchers also use DNA testing to further refine their breeding programs. Part 2. Life on the range, grazing and pasture management. 3 to 7. For the majority of their lives, beef cattle graze on vast pastures, consuming natural grasses, legumes, and other forages. This grazing is not only their primary source of nutrition but also plays a vital role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. Ranchers employ various grazing management strategies, most notably rotational grazing. This involves dividing pastures into smaller paddocks and rotating cattle between them, allowing grazed areas to recover and preventing overgrazing, which can lead to soil erosion and reduced forage production. During the winter months or periods of drought, when pasture forage is limited, ranchers provide supplemental feed. This typically includes hay, dried grasses and legumes, silage, fermented forages, and other feedstuffs like grain-based supplements or protein blocks. These supplements ensure cattle receive the necessary nutrients to maintain their health and body condition throughout the year. Part 3. The feedlot stage, nutrition and growth. As cattle approach market weight, typically around 18 to 22 months, they may spend several months in feedlots. These are carefully managed feeding operations where cattle receive a scientifically formulated diet of grains, corn, barley, forages, hay, silage, and other nutrients, including vitamins and minerals. This specialized diet is designed to optimize growth, increase marbling intramuscular fat that contributes to flavor and tenderness, and produce high-quality beef. It's crucial to understand that feedlots are not overcrowded or unsanitary, as sometimes portrayed. Modern feedlots prioritize animal well-being with ample space per animal, access to fresh, clean water, shade structures to protect them from the sun, and comfortable bedding to lie on. Animal health and welfare are paramount in feedlot operations. Veterinarians regularly visit feedlots to provide preventative care, diagnose and treat any health issues, and ensure compliance with animal welfare guidelines. Feedlot staff are trained to closely monitor animal behavior and identify any signs of illness or distress. Detailed records are kept on each animal's health, treatment, and performance. Part 4. From farm to fork. Processing and distribution. Once cattle reach their target market weight, they are transported humanely in clean, well-ventilated trailers to modern processing facilities. These facilities operate under strict regulations and inspections to ensure food safety and humane handling practices. The processing involves several stages, from stunning and humane slaughter to carcass fabrication, where the carcass is broken down into various cuts of beef. These cuts are then packaged, labeled, and distributed to grocery stores, restaurants, food service distributors, and other outlets, making their way to consumers across the country and even internationally. Part 5. The rancher's perspective. Hard work and dedication. Behind every steak, burger, or roast is the hard work, dedication, and deep-rooted connection to the land of American ranchers. They are stewards of the land, committed to sustainable grazing practices, responsible animal care, and providing high-quality, safe, and nutritious beef for families everywhere. Their connection to the land and their animals is often passed down through generations, a legacy of hard work, resilience, and a deep respect for nature. They face numerous challenges, from unpredictable weather patterns and fluctuating market prices to the constant need to adapt and innovate. But their commitment to their way of life and the quality of their product remains unwavering. The next time you enjoy a delicious and nutritious beef meal, remember the long journey it took from pasture to plate and the dedication of the American ranchers who make it all possible. They are the heart of American beef production, providing a vital source of protein and contributing significantly to the nation's agricultural heritage and food security.